Okay, Moshe, I'd like you to help us with this problem, please. This is a number problem. 3 times a number increased by 5 gives the same result as twice the same number increased by 10. So I tell you what, over here, where it says, let the number be, would you draw a picture of a pawn right over here? A picture of a pawn. Okay, we're going to let the pawn be the number. Good. So now let's set up the problem. The problem says that 3 times a number, so I need you to place the number here 3 times. It says increased by 5. So increased means you want to add to it. So now you have 3 times the number increased by 5. It gives the same result as twice the same number. So what do you want to do now? Twice the same number increased by 10. Okay, so gives the same result, tells you that both sides have the same value. So this is now the equation, the setup of this problem. So we're now ready to do, are you okay?
Yeah.
So we're now ready to do legal moves. Would you show me a legal move, please? A pawn from each side. Another legal move. Okay, another legal move, or can you tell me the value of the pawn?
5.
5. The pawn is worth 5. But since the pawn represents the number, over here, let's write the answer. The number is 5. Would you put a 5 over here, please? And now let's do the original problem to do the check. So let's clear the board. And we have 3 times a number increased by 5 is the same as twice the number increased by 10. And if the number is 5, how much is this side worth?
20.
And this side?
20.
Okay, so the check is 20 equals 20. Okay, Moshe, thank you. Very nice.